Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Lens on Samsung Galaxy A17. To activate Google Lens on Samsung Galaxy A17, firstly let's go to Google app. Now, right here next to the search bar, tap Google Lens icon. Google Lens uses what your camera sees to find results only while the app is open. Let's go to camera, and here you can search or translate. For example, let's scan the keyboard right here. We can ask about this image. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.